Welcome back to the channel. As always, I'm Sean, and today I'm on site at a local move, and we have circled the wagons and covered down on the site. So what does that mean? Well, we're going to dive into exactly what that means when we're unloading trucks and how we do this professionally to speed up the loading process or unloading process. Here we have what we consider a covered down position. So we've circled the wagons here on site. You can see that the two trucks are back to back, and we are loading and unloading out of one door. Let me show you guys inside what we're talking about here. Now we could access the 26-footer and the 18-footer easily. All we have to do is ramp between with a small ramp. This is a great technique to use when you're trying to save space on tight streets and you have multiple trucks on site and you want to be able to load both at the same time. If you guys like what you're seeing, if you learned something, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the moving and storage industry.